Let's create 3D crack text effect in Canva. Go to Canva and then to social media. I will type here YouTube thumbnail. Click it. Go to element and type here uppercase letter crack. Enter. Choose this one and click the three dots and click view collection. Find the letter that you need. Arrange the position. Increase the size. Click share. Download. Transparent background as PNG and click download. Select them all and reduce the transparency and then click share and download this white background. Remove all elements on this page and then upload the PNG that we just downloaded. Select this white background, click apps, type card, enter, choose image cutout maker, scroll down to image, select the crack text and use selected image, click it, increase the size to fit the white background, remove all these elements in this page, scroll down and click add to design. Okay, I will change the background color of this page. And then let's add the 3D effect. Click on this frame and then click edit. Click shadow, click drop, and then reduce the blur amount about 3, enter. And then reduce the distance about 8, enter. Or you can add more like maybe 10. You can also add intensity. I will increase the size a little and then add the image or the photo that you want. For example, I will use this photo and then I will send it to back. Let's increase the size. Go to edit, adjust, scroll down and I will increase the vibrance and also the sharpness. Alright, so now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.